This is Vaishali Barve from MaxNyan Advisory Private Limited. Our company believes in thinking beyond the horizon. Success is a journey and not a destination. And if you want to make this journey a smooth and stress-free one, then you can contact us. Our company holds an overall experience of 34 years in various fields of academic, cultural and sports. Till date, we have provided a vision to more than 3,400 plus students. We provide career guidance and customized solutions to students in various grades, right from 8th standard to post-graduation. We are also into the overseas education, counseling and admissions for various fields abroad in countries like US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Europe and so on. So friends, if you're looking at an authentic and systematic career progression, then you can definitely contact us because fulfillment of your dream is our passion. Thank you.